Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Realme C3 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how we can use screen of gestures in our phone Realme C3. First of all, in our phone, go to the settings, click here. Now click on convenience tools, click on gestures and motions, click on screen of gestures and turn on the button screen of gestures here. And first option, double tap to turn on screen. Just turn on this and double tap, so screen will be turned on. Next, draw O to enable camera. While lock screen, draw O like this and camera will be opened. Yes, it's opened. You can take photo. Then third one is, for that again go to the same settings, gestures and motions. Draw V to turn on flashlight. Draw V like this and flashlight will be turned on. So this is third gestures. Next we will see the fourth gestures, music control. Draw like this and music will be opened. Song will be played. You can also set more gestures. Here you can choose any one. Draw M to open this browser. So in this way you can easily use screen of gestures. That's all.